How much does a blind trust cost? Have you ever wondered how much it costs to set up a blind trust? This type of trust can be a smart choice for many people, especially when it comes to estate planning. However, the costs can vary quite a bit. Let's break it down so you can understand what to expect. First, setting up a blind trust usually costs more than other types of trusts. This is mainly due to its specialized nature. You will need an independent trustee to manage the assets without any input from you. The initial setup cost typically starts around $2,000. However, it can go much higher depending on how complex the trust is, the types of assets involved, and the legal expertise required. One of the biggest factors affecting cost is the fees for attorneys and trustees. You will need legal assistance to ensure everything meets strict legal criteria. Attorneys who specialize in estate and elder law usually charge between $1,500 and $4,000 or more for creating a trust. Blind trusts often fall on the higher end of that range due to their complexity. Additionally, the trustee, who is often a professional fiduciary or a law firm, will charge ongoing management fees. These fees can be a percentage of the trust assets each year or a flat fee. This means that the costs do not stop after the initial setup. Maintenance costs are another important aspect. Unlike a one-time fee, blind trusts come with ongoing administrative expenses. The trustee will manage the assets, handle investments, distributions, tax filings, and reporting. These ongoing fees can add up significantly over time. Transferring assets into the trust also incurs costs. This involves additional legal work and filing fees, which can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s. The total cost will depend on the number and nature of the assets you are transferring. From the perspective of estate planning, blind trusts are often used to avoid conflicts of interest. This is especially important for public officials or individuals in sensitive positions. The cost reflects not just the legal and administrative complexity, but also the need for strict independence and confidentiality. In summary, while the upfront cost to establish a blind trust usually starts around $2,000, the total cost can be much higher when you include ongoing trustee fees and asset transfer costs. It is essential to consult with an experienced estate planning attorney to determine if a blind trust is right for you and to understand the full financial implications.